Hey, I'm Jared with Solve.cloud, and today we're going to be talking about Evergreen Products, what they are and how to set them up in Revenue Cloud. So an Evergreen product is just a subscription or a product subscription that doesn't have an end date. So it's going to keep on renewing until you actually go in and cancel it. So today we're going to be walking through how to build that out in Revenue Cloud and a couple considerations with it. All right, so here we are in the demo org where we have a product set up in Revenue Cloud. That is an Evergreen product. So I'm going to walk through how I created this and how you can go about creating your own Evergreen product. So first, you'd want to go ahead and create the product selling models, and then you'll want to create the product. So make sure before you create the product, you create the product selling models. I'm going to show these real quick. So you can go to the app finder and search for product selling models. And when you create a new one, you'll make sure that the selling model type is Evergreen. And the pricing term unit, that can be months or year or quarterly or whenever, however the cadence is that you would want to have this product auto renew, that's what you would put there. So I actually created two, one for months and one for year. And then when you create the product, you will connect those. So I'll show that in a second. So going back to this product, I created it with the name and product code, marked it as active, and then I made sure it's assetizable, and I made sure that configure during sale is allowed. And so now that the product is created, you'll go through and you'll add it to a category, add the product selling models that you created, and then add it to a price book. So this is where you can kind of get messed up if you don't follow the right order. So make sure you first add the product to a category. I added it to this category called services that I made. I also added the product selling models. I added two, one for if I want to sell this product as an Evergreen monthly subscription, and one for if I want to sell this product as an Evergreen yearly subscription. And I'll show those real quick. When you go to add them, you just need to specify which product selling model you want, and then the proration policy. For both these, I just put a default proration policy. And so pretty simple there. And then when you add it to price books, the one gotcha here is to make sure that when you add it, you are also adding the product selling model for that price. So in this example, I specified a price of $20 per month if they do the Evergreen monthly subscription. If they want to do it on a yearly basis, then it's $200 a year. And so that's how you set that up. Once you have the product all set up, you'll need to either refresh pricing or go to setup and go to decision tables, where you can then update the price book entry and price book entry v2 decision tables. And so that will make it so that it will start showing up in your quote. So here I have a quote where I've added this Evergreen product. And as you can see, it has a start date, but no end date, meaning that it's just going to keep going on and on and on. And if I were to order this quote and activate the order, this would then create an asset on the account that I can then manage going forward. And so one gotcha with these Evergreen products is that when you do go to cancel them, you have to cancel them on the what they call the anniversary date. And so this is an example of a monthly Evergreen product. And so it's starting today on January 22nd, and then it's going to auto renew every month. If I want to cancel it, I have to cancel it on the specific anniversary date. So I can't cancel it halfway through next month. I have to cancel it right at the time that it would be auto renewing. And so that's one little gotcha with these Evergreen products. But other than that, they're pretty straightforward. Let us know if you have any questions about how to set these up, and we'd be more than happy to help you. So that is how to set up Evergreen products in Revenue Cloud. Thanks.